Hey guys, this is Tanner Hockett with Valley Spring Airsoft, and today we are doing a review of my friend's CYMA CM046 AK by CYMA. This is a really nice gun. We are doing a review from butt to top. So yeah, butt stock. The butt plate is you have to screw in because it's real wood. The wood is pine, and yeah, it works best with a 9.6 volt battery. So don't go higher than that. Pistol grip is really nice. Feels great. Doesn't really wobble. Trigger is metal. Trigger guard is nice. It gives you quite a lot of room. Selector switch, safe, auto, semi, bolt and blowback. Really nice. The system is, I forgot, but it's a really good system. It doesn't, blowback's really nice. It just, in the hop up, yeah, you can barely see it. Yeah, there's two parts, like screw it in and then move it up. For some AKs, you have to put the battery in here, but it just looks cool. Flip sight, rear sight, it's 8-point adjustable stock. Metal, high cap magazine, 600 rounds. Front handguard, really nice. Really sturdy. Front sling mount, and then on the other side, back sling mount. And the sling that I uses is the 30-point bungee sling, or yeah, whatever. Because he's left-handed, but he's a right-hand. Well, he's left-handed, but it's a right-handed gun. So yeah, he took the flash hider off, but it wasn't hard to take off. I don't think so. And adjustable front sight, really nice. And yeah. This gun is really nice. On Airsoft GI it is $210, and on Airsoft Megastore $190. Same type, but sometimes Airsoft Megastore is okay, but Airsoft GI, awesome. So thanks for watching, and oh yeah, in this gun is shoots around 420 to 430 FPS, so no CQB for that. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and as always, stay hydrated.